Namaste, this is H.C. Verma from IIT Kanpur, giving you the course on learning physics through small and simple experiments. The most interesting aspect about physics is that you can experience it, you can feel it anywhere and anytime. Even if you are holding a stick in your hand, there is lot of physics that can be learned from it, about forces, about torques, point of application, many things. Lot of physics is going on in your kitchen, in your playground, in marketplace, everywhere. It is said that Sir C.V. Raman got into this Nobel Prize winning field of light scattering when he observed bluish color of sea water in broad daylight. I am very sure this particular course will orient you towards looking at the phenomena and simple experiments in a new way, connect it to physics principles, analyze it, in the process learn the deeper aspects of physics. And once you get this, I can always assure you that this will be the most enjoyable experience of physics. And once you get that enjoyment, you will be able to create new experiments, and that will multiply the enjoyment many folds.